Check it out, that's the lunar wave. Recorded by Crow 777. Look at that. That's the lunar wave. See, from going from the bottom going up. So it's gonna repeat it. Look at this. Check this out. See the line right here? See how the line is going up this way? Oh, look, and it's going sideways too. Look, there it is, going sideways. 50% speed. Look at that, going up. Oh, it goes up and it goes sideways too. Look. So we put a grid on it. Look how it's going, halfway down now. Halfway up, I'm sorry. Look. See the wave? Now check this out. Look how it's going up. Now check this out. They recorded the same thing in Jupiter. Look, there you go, going from the top down to the bottom. Look at that. There you go. But I think this wave is really happening on Earth and not on the moon itself. It's resetting. See, look at that, right there. And those are supposed to be two moons. Check this out. Oh shit, stupid commercial. Look at that. Now, those are the electromagnetic vehicles that Dr. Berggruen showed in Remakers of Saturn. Look at that. Look at that. That's a hand right there. Look, that's the wave. Look at the wave. Boom. See, the exact same thing that happened on the moon. See, look at the wave. Boom. Look at that. Well, I think that wave is really happening, not on this planet, but really on Earth. It's on the atmosphere. Look at that, man. I mean, clearer than that. Couldn't look at that. It couldn't be any clearer than that. Those gotta be some gigantic ass moon, and I don't think they're moon at all. Those are two enormous electromagnetic, man. A moon that big compared to Jupiter, which is like 300 times bigger than Earth. Look at that. exact same thing that Crow 777 recorded. Look at that, boom. Like I said, these are waves, and look, there is a ring around Saturn. I mean, around Jupiter. Look at the ring right there. And look at the wave. Wow. See, look at the ring right there. Look at the rings on Jupiter. Look, you can see the rings. And it's not really the ring. It's, look at the wave cutting the planet at the bottom. Look at that. That's the wave passing over it. But like I say, I don't think it's really on Jupiter. It's around this planet itself, Earth, and not on that planet or the moon. It's happening right here in front of us, around this planet. Because when you look at when I had shown the ISS, International Space Station, I had shown the flash passing over the Earth. That could be that and not there on those planets. It could be there and here too. The wave propagates all around the entire solar system. And these these spheres transmit and receive an energy, and they propagate that all over, and that's one of the mechanisms that propagate that energy. And that is celestial energy. That's not your normal electricity deal. Nah, I don't think so. Look at the ring around this moon, around this planet. And then look at these two objects right there. And you can see how the wave passes over the objects too. Look, it's right here. Check this out. Look, the wave is passing like that. And it's already dimmed this moon. Or this object that is right here is not visible at this point, and then this is the second so-called moon. Well, look how it cuts the planet at the bottom. See, look at the so-called moon. That ain't no moon. Look at how crooked that shit is. A freaking hand. Look at that. That ain't no moon, man. That's the shape. Look at that. Oh boy. Look at that, man. That's the so-called moon. Shit, that ain't no look like moon to me. Look at that. I mean, the geometry is all over the place. Let me show you what this geometry look like. It's a damn hand like this. You can see the second finger, the third finger. Nobody wants to fool with what I'm saying, man. And then this thing at the wrist is another hand going up the same way. That ain't no damn moon, man. It's an illusion, man. It's just an illusion. And that hand, really, look, that hand is really holding another hand that goes vertical like that. when I take the writing off, you see that it matches perfectly what I just did, because all I'm doing is the outline of those things on that moon. This deal is like this. Show you. This is a hand like this. You can see the thumb is like this. Then it coming down this way too, like this. And then right here it's like this too. Another hand. One hand like that. Another one coming down this way, the same way that this one is, and this one is the same thing. When I take the writing off, you're gonna see that the lines are exactly what I just drew on it. Look, right there. There's just nobody wants to fool with this. They're either scared to say it or they just don't see it. I don't know what's the problem with people, man. They just cannot go there. Oh, but you're religious. Religion has nothing to do with the reality that we're looking at. See, look. Look at the outlines. That's all the geometry that I find everywhere. And look how this thing extends. Look, it keeps extending right here like that. I mean, that geometry is on everything. It's in space, it's on planet, moon, asteroid, comet, nebula, you name it. I mean, I've been researching this deal. Look, that's the other object. Right there. Look how distorted it looks now. It has an extended deal too like that. So you tell me a moon can look like that, really? Now look how the planet is cut at the bottom by that wave, that translucent wave that is passing over it. Of course, if you darken the thing, I brighten up the settings on the screen, but if you darken it, you're not gonna see none of it. Look, this is darkening the deal. Now look at the geometry on it. Yeah, a moon like that, really. But when you brighten it up enough, look what appears. A moon like crooked like that, really. Now check this out. I'm gonna play this back again. Look at that. Let me enlarge this deal. Look at what the upper moon look like. Really, like that? That's a moon. That's the type of deal that I see, all like a teardrop like that. That's the kind of thing that I record from when I show this bright, glittering deal that change color, and that's the shape that I capture. It's like I say, no investigator is looking into any of the stuff I'm showing. I don't know why. I see the deal on every freaking image, even on film. Not digital, film. It's the same thing. So if it's on film and if in digital, it has to be what we see. Our eyes don't see this crystalline deal, but cameras see it perfectly. Only camera can see this type of thing. Look at the translucent structure around the planet. And this is with a telescope, a powerful telescope. To see Jupiter this good, gee, you have to have some heck of a powerful telescope.